Welcome to Pacific International and Asian Group Distributor. You can easily place an order to our system for ordering Italian SIM. Here are the step-by-step instructions. For logging in, open your browser, search for sim.asiangroupdistributor.org and enter the site. Enter your user ID and password. Click Sign in. After accessing the dashboard, you can see our whole dashboard. Click on SIM Request. Click on New SIM Request. Specify the number of SIM cards you need according to the operator. Only input the exact number you require. Click on Save SIM Request. If you need to change the quantity, click on the pen icon next to the request. Edit the order and click on Update SIM Request. Congratulations! You have successfully placed an order in our system. You can view the list of SIM cards you have just ordered to the same page. After your request, PI Cargo will send the SIM in your shop. Thank you for using our service.